see and shame the strategy. Step up for you done, my son, let it rip. Come equipped, it's begun. 3, 2, 1, breathe. Game changer, rearrange your strategy. Let's go.
How's it going, GGB Sorciers? Welcome to the continuation of this vlog. Right now I'm holding area, that's the name of this alpaca, and this belongs to the cameraman, John Luis Gomez.
Oi, I'm talking. Where you from, where you from? Look at this dude.
What's going on, GGB Sorciers? Welcome back to a new video, and we are here live at the Cultural Fair for World Scholars Club 2019, the Hague Global Round. We're gonna be doing a tour and vlog all around this place, and as much as possible we will be visiting each of the booths if we could, depending on the camera's sustainability. So what do you think, JL? Shall we get down to it?
Let's get
down to it. Alright, so we are at the center of the entire cultural fair. Take a look at this entire surroundings. We're gonna try to visit as much as we could today. So that means I'm gonna need you guys to stay with me. Come on, let's go. I think it has to go. It's alright. Alright, hey everyone, so we got this country called
Slovenia.
And can you tell us more about this place?
You see, Slovenia is a very interesting Slavic country. It's in Central Europe, but it's often seen as Eastern. We are a mix of Germanic and Southern Slavic peoples. This booth here represents our socialist past. It's a big problem in our country because historical revisionists keep forgetting about the deeds of our partisans and how we fought against Nazi Germany. Oh, we want to bring attention to that, and that is why we have this booth, basically.
That's great.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine. When you're
what do you have in front of us? Oh, I've heard of this. Alright, so we're gonna taste the strip waffle. Yeah. It's good. I like the sweetness of it. Your country is great. Your country is really great. Really amazing. Thank you very much. Yeah. Bye. Here we have Ice. My man, Ice, right here. Talking about Justin. He's a homie of RD. We know him as Beats the Vlogbird, aka Macro, one of the rappers in RC's featured Macro. Grotopia is a game. Check it out in the description below.
Grotopia is a very awesome game. That's right.
Oh, we enjoyed your performance. Oh my God, it's good. What do you have to tell about this place?
So basically, this is a Slovenian stand.
Okay, right, it's all good.
In reality, you know, flag of the Soviet Union, all of these I got in Moscow.
Oh, that's great.
They're really authentic.
Mind if I try the chocolate?
Of course.
Alright, thank you. How's that really? Alright, everyone, take a look at this. I've got this over here. Am I wearing it right?
Yes, you're wearing it right.
Oh, congratulations. Can I make a photo from you? Sure, why not? Thank you very much. I'll see you later. I'll come back.
See you later too.
Congrats on your performance.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Let's go, everybody. Could you please tell us about our booth?
Okay, so Bahrain is a small country between two lands, and it's like a period in the world map.
Okay.
This has three rulers. We have King Hamad, we have Prince Salman, and Sheikh Khalifa.
Alright, let's go to Damaris. How about you, Rizza? What's your knowledge?
Hi, so we have here, we have sweets. These are local chocolates from Bahrain. And these are actually dates, which are the popular fruits from Bahrain. And these are the fresh dates. And these are snacks. They're kind of bread.
Yeah, it's bread like biscuits, stuff like that.
Date flavored. And then here we have some type of biscuits. They're made out of flour.
Okay, out of flour.
And then these are baklava.
I also heard that you can dance Alpacas.
Actually, no, you've heard wrong.
Yeah, believe in yourself. Hey, yeah, طالع للخلف. Hey, yeah, ارفع راسك فوق واطمح للأفضل.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye. Bye, guys.
And you go back to the camera business. So we are here at my home country, the Philippines, and we've got some friends here today.
Our home country is a very beautiful country. A lot of landscapes that you can visit. These are our snacks. These are big dogs. This is very popular in our country. You can try to support, which is from Ilocos, the northern part of the Philippines. And these are big candies. Basically, ube is a very good ingredient in our country. We always use these for drinks, for desserts. These are mango and pineapple balls. Mango is actually our national fruit. And these are lasa, also known as jackfruit candy. You can try this one. This is really good.
So, what do you have here for us?
Hi, we are Japan and we have origami, which is a traditional paper making crafting, and we made it in like 1 hour. Ninja shurikens, and you can throw them and kill them.
Can we take one of these?
Yeah, you can take anything.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good night. Adios. That's great. Cambodia, guys. What else do you have here?
So many people are from This thing is made of this fan.
That's a fan.
I made it.
Alright guys, so I'm here with my scavenge team partner Tevi. And so yeah, how's WSC for you so far?
Pretty good, I think. I was a bit nervous because it was my first time.
Your first time in globals?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. How was the challenge yesterday?
I think I did pretty okay.
How about the cultural fair? How do you find it so far?
It's pretty crowded. At first I thought it would be a bit more worse than this because like my first time. But
same here. Anyway, sir. And that's it, Tevi. Thank you very much. So yeah, what do we have here?
So here we have some shores, and here we have some honey, and plum jam, and Adele jam. That's all homemade.
Can we try this?
Yes.
I'm gonna try this. It's really good. You guys are amazing. So yeah, thank you very much. Alright guys, so we are here at the Netherlands together with our friends. So what can you tell us about this country?
Yeah, basically we have a lot of foods here.
Right, it's great.
It's called a stove bath, and basically it's
Can I try it?
Yeah, it's just waffles with caramel.
I've tasted it.
This is sofa, and this is a little more unique. Some people don't like it.
Let's see.
You know, traditional Dutch food. You gotta try it.
Not bad. It's good. So what else can you tell us about this place?
So here you just kind of have a giant mech. Amsterdam is technically 5 meters below sea level.
Below sea level?
Yeah, so if you didn't have trees, then it would just flood.
Oh, I've been there once, Amsterdam. It's a nice place. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Thank you. Here we are at the Ukraine booth, and here we have our friend here. Can you explain to us what Ukraine is about?
We have the highest mountain called Hague.
It's the highest mountain in Ukraine. Also, we have many beautiful historical sites because it's really ancient. This is our map. Here is our capital, Kiev.
This is the Carpathian Mountains. The highest mountain here is in Ukraine called Hague.
This is the Azovsky Sea, and this is the Black Sea.
Alright guys, so we're at this portion of the cultural fair with our friend here. So yeah, what can you tell us?
Okay, well at our booth we have LaSalle merch, LaSalle stickers to be specific, and LaSalle is a college preparatory high school, and it basically helps us prepare for college as the name suggests. It's very helpful, and we have SAT courses over the summer, ACT as well.
Alright everyone, here we are live at the Canada delegation, and here we have with our new friends. Can you please explain to us what Canada is?
So, Canada is a North American country.
We specialize in maple syrup in Quebec, poutine, mostly just maple trees in Quebec. We're representing Quebec stuff.
Nice.
So, this is maple syrup. This is the least less sugary kind.
Nice.
This is the stronger kind. We normally put this on our pancakes.
Oh my gosh, I forgot. Yeah, it's syrup. Yeah.
We're the biggest supplier of maple syrup in the world.
Oh, that's great. Okay.
Yeah, and we also have maple candies and maple cookies.
Oh, okay. That's cool. Okay, sure.
And these are our really cool people that were Canadians.
These are stories from our native people, from our First Nations.
That's nice.
Yeah. So they have
Amazing. That's
the
really cool.
original artwork in it and their stories, their folk stories.
Ooh, that's great. Anyway, thank you very much for your time. High five. Alright everyone, here we are at the Turkey place and we're going to be learning more about this amazing country. So what can you tell us about Turkey?
These are the nuts that we eat. And in this, there's some of the museums here.
Oh.
And the architecture. We have Turkish songs.
Nice. I'll try this out. That's amazing.
These are the flag. This is the flag of our country.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much, guys. So here we have Adele, one of my scavenge teammates. So yeah, Adele. What's up, bro? How's it going? How's Slovenia II so far?
It was pretty fun, like meeting so many people from having different cultures.
How's the challenge yesterday?
It was pretty hard.
Hard. I have to agree with you with that.
Yeah.
See you around. Thank you. Here we are at Zimbabwe with our friends here. Yeah, my name is Hi. So what can you tell us about your amazing country?
It's full of unicorns, animals, lions, elephants.
It's a really cultural place. It's one of the 7 wonders of the world, like one of our monuments, Victoria Falls. It's like around the world of
Thank you very much. Alright everyone, here we are at France and we've got our friends here who will be explaining to us this amazing country. Actually, it's my dream country to go to. So yeah, what can you tell us about France?
You have to see its capital,
Paris. Of course, with the Cathedral Notre Dame. Yes, so there is this is the French flag,
Yes.
blue, white, red. One of the symbols of France is also like Mona Lisa because it's in the Louvre, so you have to see that.
Cool! And don't forget that France is football world champion.
Yeah, I remember that. Yeah. I was cheering for France.
Paris for the Mondial.
It was
During the Mondial in Paris.
So, yes, and I'm wearing a beret. It's like French, and the marinière, striped t-shirts like the marine, the French marine wear.
And here we have a special sausage from France. Now it's gone, almost. But if you want, you can take a bit.
Okay.
Thank you.
Here we are at Romania with our friends and colleagues. So yeah, what can you tell us about this amazing place?
Hey, so I can tell you a lot of things about Romania. It's a wonderful place. We have everything from beaches to mountains and anything you would like to see. You can go bike riding, you can go with your friends, have a fun time in the parks. And we even have popular songs like Dragoste din Tevi, which you can hear everywhere in the world.
Oh, I heard that before.
Yeah, everyone.
It was famous back then.
Yeah, a few years ago.
Thank you very much. I'm Marcius and I'm
Michael. These are monuments in Romania.
That's cool.
Poarta Sărătului, this is Coroana Infinitului.
I'll take this.
Okay.
Thank you very much. We're here live at the South Korea delegation. So here we have our friends here today. What can you tell us about your country?
In Korea, there's a lot of snacks, cute snacks, and it's famous for K-pop music. There's BTS and everything. And you know that WSC also has the parody for the BTS.
Hello, you took a sample of my pasta.
Yeah, some of my
It's also there, so you can go there and see.
That's cool. It's my channel. Thank you. Alright everyone, here we are at Vietnam and we have some friends here today. So yeah, I'm Arceus.
Nice to meet you. Okay, welcome to Vietnam.
What can you tell us about the country?
So Vietnam is a country in Southeast Asia and we're primarily farmers, as you can see. We have over 50 ethnic groups with all with unique culture, and there's a lot you can check out, you know, our culture, our history, our flag, there's a game you can play, there's so much, we can't cover everything.
Thank you very much guys. We are at the Singapore location with our new friends from clothing. So yeah, I'm Arceus, nice to meet you all. So I want to know, what's your country about, Singapore?
Well, Singapore is all about diversity. There's a majority of Chinese and Indians and Malay and many other cultures.
I've been there, I've been to Singapore twice, and I went to Universal Studios before.
Yeah.
I love the place, you know, it's really amazing. So, how's life there? You know?
It's busy, it's busy. It's really nice.
But it's very modern, very amazing. That's it guys, thank you very much. Alright guys, so here we are at the Azerbaijan delegation. We've got our friends here today, and they'll explain to us what their country is about. So yeah, my name is Arceus, I'm a YouTuber, nice to meet you. Hi, bye. So what is Azerbaijan about?
Okay, so they consider lots of carpets in here, and each carpet is actually telling a story because it has a specific symbolic language, and it represents a region in which the carpets were woven. So this is how Azeri women, they wear the carpets upside down.
That's nice.
So then, coming from the history, Azerbaijan has been captured by many Western, Northern, and Southern cultures, which made like a cultural fusion. But Azeris have been able to preserve most of their cultural key elements. So for example, this is baklava, which is kind of like coming from a Turkish culture, as well as this, which is called mutaki, which has nuts inside, and nuts are a very big and important element in Azeri cuisine. We have coconuts, which are also very popular, but artificial right now. And then we have national costumes for dancing and playing. Right.
That looks cool. Guys, thank you very much.
You took a sample of my pasta. Let's go. Game changer, rearrange your strategies. The same old way we'll see you shame the strategy. Step up, 4, you're done, my son. Let it rip, come equipped, it's begun. 3, 2, 1. Is it about the destination or the journey you're finding? When you top that hill, there's still a mountain behind it. All the time the stage around you is changing. So isn't it your business not to just maintain, but change within it? No limits but the ones you place upon yourself. These trophies on your shelf